Now, what's really interesting is back 13 years ago, almost to the day, there was a 2011 super tornado outbreak that hit the southeast. There was over 360 tornadoes, $10.2 billion in damage, over 300 deaths, 3,000 injuries, and one of the strongest tornadoes was an EF5 tornado in Alabama. Thankfully, we did not see that with the outbreak that we had yesterday, and with the tornadoes that have been coming across Oklahoma and Kansas today, they're still seeing those storms. For us, though, we are seeing those storms exit our state, and that is going to happen pretty shortly, but we are going to have some rain come up behind that. Starting in midnight, we'll have another round of rain start to come up, but for the most part, this is not going to be as severe. Now, there could be a pocket or two of a severe thunderstorm, but for the most part, it's really just going to be rain. As far as our severe weather outlook goes, you can see that southern Iowa is in that level 2 risk, which is much lower than what we have seen. The good news is the tornado threat is going to be low. Wind is going to be a little bit up there, but it'll stay more towards the south, and same with hail. But we are going to get a lot of rain from this, so localized flooding is going to be very possible going into Sunday. We do get a break from our rain on Monday, but then our rain chances come back Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. However, those storms are not set to be severe. Right now it is 63 degrees outside, very cloudy. We're going to continue to have a cloudy night as that rain starts to enter our state from the south, but the wind's going to be a little bit lighter tonight. Those temperatures across the state are slowly starting to dip more down into the 50s. Some of us are still hanging on to those 60s, but for the most part, we're going to trend a little bit cooler tonight. Now, winds will be picking up Sunday afternoon and evening. They'll stay a little bit on the stronger side Monday, but then we'll get a little bit of a break. Now, tonight it's going to be a rainy night. We'll have some non-severe thunderstorms come in later tonight and more into the early morning hours. We'll get down to about 60 degrees, and then tomorrow we'll get up to 73 degrees. It'll be breezy, it'll be rainy, and then we could see a severe thunderstorm or two pop up, but it's not going to be anything as intense that we had the past couple of days. Now, Monday we get that break. We keep the 70s. Tuesday, very warm, and then we could see some thunderstorms with that, but then you see our temperatures start to drop down into the 60s. We are going to be in the 60s for this weekend, or this coming weekend, but the good news is it looks like we are going to get a little bit of sun, and it won't be as rainy as it was the last weekend we had.